How can you not smile while you play this game? Today's Scratch Show is sponsored by vegetables that nobody buys, like celery root, rhubarb, and parsley. Can you even eat that? Anyways, it must be good for you. Okay, we have Doge the Troop Mobile Friendly Update 7 by StarPro89. Boy, there are a lot of direction in this game as well. Doge the Troops. Is that how you spell Doge? Doge like the dog? Okay, give it more than 100 stars and I promise to make another game. Okay, now he has 3 stars. Oh, I'm not signed in yet, so you didn't even get the star. Anyways, I've got to try this game out. How do we play this? I probably should have read the direct. It's game over, but my score went to 102. Okay, we have Geodash by Luis Romero, and I have to admit, this song made me happy. How can you not smile while you play this game? Is there an end to this game? There's a horrible end to this game. Okay, we have Galaxy Trooper YT's Leap for the Leap Year competition. If you're not aware of it, it's a Hackingtons coding competition. Okay, so let's see this in full screen. It looks like it has pretty easy directions. And I'm doing WASD to move. Here we go. Oh, we have levels, and they're locked. Level 1. Here we go. Left and right. Okay, I'm going to make it. There we go. Level 1 was pretty easy. Now we're on level 2. Can I beat this game? Okay, I'm a little nervous now. Level 6, this is it. The last level was the easiest one. Awesome game though. Okay, we have Pew Pew Laser, Mick Laser by Sherry88, which is actually the Dublin Hackingtons location. The teacher's name is Sherry. So this is creepy faces shot count 0, and then what do you do? Press any button to fire? Okay, goodbye creepy faces. I'm going to shoot you. Oh yeah! That's the hardest game I've ever played. Well, come on. Shoot those creepy faces shot fired. High score? Look at the gun. Gun destroyed. Very nice game. And here's another submission from Sherry88, which is the Dublin Hackingtons location. It's called Iago Work in Progress. Extremely creepy, muscly, hairy man goes on a journey. And I'm not exactly sure where he's going. Probably into your nightmares. This is pretty good. Like the action, the movement is cool, but I'm not sure I want to know where this guy is going. Okay, Monkey Mayhem, we are not worthy. This game is seriously cool. Full screen action. You have to get bananas and throw them at bats. You are murdering bats with bananas. Okay, the game I'm going to help out with today is Shark Attack by Simi19. Very professional playing game, but I'm going to help you make it a little bit better, because check this out. You are a fish swimming around until you touch the shark. But if you put the mouse pointer on the fish, it flickers back and forth. A problem that we can fix with just a little bit of code. Let's jump in the code right now. And wow, there is a lot of code. We're going to go to the fish's code. We're going to shrink it down, and I'm going to look for his movement. The movement is right here. There is I'll zoom in. There's a move 10 steps right here. We need to fix that. I'm going to disconnect it. What we'll do is we'll only allow the fish to move if it's not touching the mouse pointer. This is a pretty cool trick. Go in the operators and grab the not block. There we go. So it's not touching. So go into sensing, grab touching. Oh, hold on. Touching, there it is. Touching mouse pointer. There, and now we'll put it inside of an if statement. So go into controls, and there is if. So if not touching mouse pointer, then move 10 steps. Now go ahead and put that back into the code right where it came from, attach everything else. So now it will not move if it's touching the mouse pointer. Let's see if it works. There we go, touches the mouse pointer, it doesn't jitter. I still lost! Anyways, awesome game. And for my final game of the show, it is Evan Scratch's Frogger version 3. Now, I used to play Frogger when I was a kid, so I'm pretty excited about rekindling those days. Let's press the start flag. Here we go. I like the animation. W to start. Very professional. Okay. This is cool. I fell in the river. I can go sideways. Back in the day, I was actually pretty terrible. Oh! That's all for the show this week. Go ahead and submit your Scratch projects to hackingtons.com/Scratch. Please subscribe to the channel. And yes, there are a couple more projects on the list that I didn't get to that I plan to get to in the next show. So I'll see you then.